In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance image quality in Adobe Express. Whether you're touching up a quick social post or polishing a photo for a presentation, these simple moves will make your image look cleaner, clearer, and more professional without overdoing it. Start by clicking your image on the canvas to bring up its options, then choose Edit Image. This opens the main workspace where all your improvement tools live. Think of it as your control center. Everything you need to fix exposure, restore detail, and add polish is right here. Next, select Enhance or Auto to instantly improve quality. This is a great first pass because Adobe Express analyzes your photo and applies a balanced correction. If your picture looks a little flat, Auto often lifts the brightness and contrast in a natural way. If the result feels too strong or not strong enough, you can always undo and try again, or use the following adjustments to fine-tune. The goal here is to let the software do the heavy lifting. Then you guide the final look. Now move into Adjust to refine brightness, contrast, sharpness, and clarity. Brightness controls the overall lightness of the image. Nudge it until faces and key details are visible without washing out highlights. Contrast increases the difference between dark and light areas. A small bump adds depth, but be careful. Too much contrast can crush shadows and blow out bright spots. Sharpness focuses the edges. It's best judged at a closer zoom so you don't over-sharpen and create crunchy outlines or halos. Clarity enhances mid-tone texture and definition. It's perfect for bringing out fabric, landscapes, and architecture, but use a lighter touch on skin so it stays natural. Make small moves, pause, and reassess after each tweak. Subtle adjustments tend to stack up nicely. Finally, apply filters lightly to avoid over-editing. Filters can unify colors and mood, but heavy effects can quickly make an image look artificial or introduce banding and noise. Pick a filter that complements your photo's purpose: cooler tones for a modern feel, warmer tones for a friendly vibe, and dial it back so it enhances rather than distracts. If skin tones shift too far or the image loses detail, reduce the intensity or switch to a gentler look. That's it. Click the image, open Edit Image, let Enhance or Auto set the baseline, refine with Adjust, and finish with a restrained filter. With these steps, you'll upgrade your image quality while keeping everything clean, crisp, and true to life.